Imagine a simple practice that not only helps you relax and also boosts your heart health, all without lifting a finger. Sounds great, right? That's exactly what saunas can offer. Saunas have been used for centuries as a form of healing and relaxation, but modern science is now uncovering just how powerful they can be for our health. You don't want to miss these 5 amazing benefits, plus, at the end of the video, a surprising extra one that will blow your mind. Welcome to Levitas. Before we dive into the benefits, let's quickly talk about the different types of saunas. There are 4 main kinds: traditional, infrared, steam, and dry saunas. Traditional saunas use a heater to warm the air to around 150 to 195 degrees Fahrenheit, causing your body to sweat. Infrared saunas, however, use infrared light to heat your body directly, often at lower temperatures. Steam saunas, or steam rooms, are humid environments where moist heat is produced by boiling water. Finally, dry saunas use dry heat with very little humidity, often paired with heaters or wood stoves. No matter which type you choose, the benefits will be profound. So, what are the 5 amazing sauna benefits? Get ready to start taking advantage of your sauna benefits. Sauna benefit number 1. One of the most incredible benefits of regular sauna use is its positive impact on heart health. When you sit in a sauna, the heat causes your heart rate to increase, similar to the effect of moderate exercise. Your blood vessels expand, promoting better blood circulation. Studies have shown that regular sauna sessions can reduce blood pressure and improve endothelial function, which is vital for healthy blood vessels. In fact, research from Finland, where sauna bathing is a cultural staple, indicates that people who use a sauna 4 to 7 times a week have a significantly lower risk of cardiovascular disease, heart attacks, and even sudden cardiac death. This is due to the way saunas mimic cardiovascular exercise, without the strain of physical activity. Over time, this can help lower your risk of heart disease and support overall cardiovascular function. Moreover, the heat from a sauna encourages the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and dilate blood vessels, reducing the workload on your heart. It's no wonder the sauna is considered a powerful tool for maintaining heart health. So, whether you're looking to keep your heart strong or prevent heart issues down the road, incorporating sauna sessions into your routine will be one of the best choices you make. Sauna benefit number 2. We all know that feeling of relaxation and relief after stepping out of a sauna. But it turns out, the benefits for your mind go even deeper. Sauna use has been linked to enhanced mental health, thanks to its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. When you're exposed to the high heat, your body releases endorphins, chemicals that act as natural pain relievers and mood enhancers. Endorphins, often called the feel-good hormones, help you unwind, making you feel more relaxed and improving your mood. But the benefits don't stop at endorphins. Saunas also reduce levels of cortisol, a stress hormone. Chronically high cortisol levels can lead to anxiety, depression, and even weight gain. By lowering cortisol, sauna sessions help your body reset, leaving you in a calmer and more focused state. Plus, the practice of sitting still, breathing deeply, and letting the heat wash over you, creates a meditative experience that's deeply soothing for the mind. Studies also suggest that regular sauna use can reduce the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Some researchers believe this is due to improved blood flow to the brain, reduced inflammation, and the promotion of heat shock proteins, which can protect brain cells from damage. Sauna benefit number 3. Want radiant, glowing skin? Regular sauna sessions can help. When you sit in a sauna, the heat causes you to sweat, and sweating is one of the body's natural ways of detoxifying. As you sweat, you help flush out toxins from the skin, removing dirt, oils, and dead skin cells. This process can lead to clearer, smoother skin, reduced acne, and a more youthful appearance. Sauna use also promotes better blood circulation to the skin, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to the surface. This improved blood flow supports skin healing, improves elasticity, and boosts collagen production, which helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Over time, you may notice that your skin feels softer, smoother, and more vibrant. Additionally, the heat can help open up your pores, allowing your skincare products to penetrate deeper and be more effective. Many users report a glowing complexion after just one sauna session, but regular use can lead to long-term skin benefits. If you're looking for a natural way to enhance your skincare routine, the sauna might be the secret weapon you didn't know you needed. Sauna benefit number 4. For athletes or anyone dealing with chronic pain, the sauna offers a fantastic way to aid in muscle recovery and relieve pain. The heat from the sauna increases blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to tired muscles, which speeds up recovery and reduces soreness. This makes saunas a popular post-workout routine for athletes. Additionally, sauna heat helps to relax muscles and joints, easing tension and reducing stiffness. If you suffer from conditions like arthritis, fibromyalgia, or general muscle pain, sauna sessions can provide relief by loosening tight muscles and joints. The heat also stimulates the release of endorphins, which act as natural pain relievers, making you feel more comfortable and at ease. Not only does the heat help with muscle recovery, but the increased circulation can also speed up the healing of minor injuries, like strains or sprains. Incorporating regular sauna use into your routine could make a huge difference in your recovery time and overall physical comfort. Sauna benefit number 5. Saunas can help with weight release. Yes, that's right. While it's not a substitute for exercise and healthy eating, the sauna can be a helpful tool in your weight loss journey. When you sit in a sauna, your body's core temperature rises, and you begin to sweat. This process forces your heart to work harder, boosting your metabolism and burning calories. In fact, it's estimated that a single sauna session can help you burn up to 300 calories, depending on the duration and temperature. The sauna also promotes detoxification, helping your body eliminate excess water and toxins, which can contribute to bloating and water retention. And while the weight you lose in a single sauna session may be water weight, regular sauna use can help improve your overall metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight in the long run. Additionally, the heat from the sauna can help improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism. So, if you're looking to support your weight loss goals and improve your metabolism, regular sauna use is a great addition to your routine. And before we go, today's extra benefit. This is a rare, but amazing benefit. Regular sauna sessions can actually strengthen your immune system. When exposed to heat, your body produces more white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and illnesses. This boost in white blood cells makes your immune system more effective at warding off common colds, flu, and other viruses. In fact, studies have shown that people who use saunas regularly experience fewer colds and are generally healthier overall. So, not only does the sauna help you relax and recover, but it also equips your body to stay strong and fight off illnesses before they take hold. In conclusion, the 5 sauna benefits we've explored offer a wealth of health advantages, from promoting heart health and mental well-being to improving skin, aiding muscle recovery, and supporting weight loss. Saunas provide a natural boost to circulation, helping reduce blood pressure, stress, and even inflammation. The heat also promotes detoxification and collagen production, enhancing skin quality and muscle healing. Remarkably, saunas can even improve metabolic function, aiding weight management. Plus, as a rare bonus, regular sauna use strengthens the immune system, helping ward off illnesses. So, incorporating sauna sessions into your wellness routine can transform both your body and mind. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.